Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2018 Kia Optima LX Plus in lightning blue. Starting at the front here, we have a very stylish front grille with chrome trim, as well as automatic headlights and solar glass. Moving on, this vehicle comes equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also includes power heated side view mirrors with LED signal repeaters, split chrome door handles, and keyless entry. Some of the safety features with this vehicle include electronic stability control, hill assist control, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert, along with rear parking sensors. Heading toward the rear, this model comes equipped with a heated rear window, splash guards, and a very spacious trunk. Moving on inside toward the rear seats, the Optima LX Plus features stain-resistant cloth seating, as well as 60/40 folding rear seat capability, and a 6-speaker sound system. Looking toward the front now, this model comes equipped with power windows and locks, driver memory seating, and a 12-way power driver's seat with 4-way lumbar support. This model also features heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Some other great features include steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, Bluetooth wireless technology, and air conditioning, as well as a Rearview camera with a 5-inch display. This model also features drive mode select with Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes, as well as auxiliary, USB, and dual 12-volt input ports. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes equipped with a 2.4-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed Sportmatic transmission.